So guys, welcome back to my channel Viraj. This is also part 3 of social tutorials, and I will show you how to put a face lock, any type of lock in your phone. So let's start a video. Go on settings. You can see, go down, search lock screen and password, click on it. You will get set screen lock and add fingerprint. First you have to put set screen lock. If you have screen lock, then you can click on fingerprint. First you do any pattern, pin, password. I want pattern. Got it. Okay. Draw and unlock pattern. So I want this. Got it. I want this. Now if I want fingerprint. Sorry guys, ये थोड़ा back हो गया था. Add fingerprint. So what? इसको आपको ऐसे दबाते रहना. हो गया fingerprint done. Okay, and then if app lock, if you want, you can do done. And now see if I will open this. No, they will not. Okay, so go here. Now I will close it. So if I want, I can put my finger back and it will get open. So we'll do like this. Go down, they will ask password. Password will get on. So आज के वीडियो के लिए बस इतना ही. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.